Hello everyone. Let's take a detailed look at how to install and adjust the OPTI M600 LBTGP series welding helmet. Mode switching and adjustment. On the side of the helmet, there are two buttons. The upper button is for function switching and plus or minus adjustment. The lower button is for quickly switching to grinding mode. To power on, press and hold the Mode D button. The indicator light will turn on, indicating the helmet is activated. Now, you can use the mode switch button to toggle between modes, and use the plus buttons to adjust the shade number. Grind mode, shade 3, cut mode, shade 5 to 9, weld mode, shade 9 to 13, lock mode, shade 5 to 13. You can observe the shade changes through the main viewing window. Use the test button to check if the auto-darkening function is working properly. Next, adjust the auto-darkening sensitivity with the sensitivity button. 5 adjustable levels, ensuring reliable performance even at low currents. 5A. Adjust the delay time with the delay button for 5 levels. External control button. When the indicator light is blinking, use the upper external button to cycle through 3 functions: shade adjustment, sensitivity adjustment, and delay time adjustment. Rotate the external knob to modify the parameter corresponding to the blinking indicator. Briefly press the button to switch functions. Short press the lower button to quickly switch to grinding mode. To power off, press and hold the mode button until all lights turn off. Light control. On the side of the welding helmet, there is a light control module. Press and hold the right power button. The green indicator will light up, indicating that the light is now on. Briefly press the right power button to cycle through the brightness levels. Briefly press the left button to activate infrared control for the light. You can then wave your hand near the infrared sensor area. To toggle the light on and off in real time, press and hold the right power button again. The green indicator turns off, indicating that the light is now off. On the back of the right light control module, there is a charging port. Connect the Type-C charging cable to the port. The red indicator will light up and flash, indicating that the light is charging. Headgear adjustment and wearing. There is a tightening knob on each side of the helmet. Loosen the knobs to adjust the front-back position of the helmet. 3 adjustable levels. You can also adjust the tilt angle of the helmet. 5 adjustable levels. Once adjusted to a comfortable position, tighten the knobs. Ensure both sides are adjusted symmetrically. The rear of the headgear allows for head circumference adjustment. Rotate the left or right knob to tighten or loosen as needed. 2 additional adjustment points are located at the top of the headgear for customized fit based on your head shape. Protective lens replacement. The helmet uses both outer and inner protective lenses. Align one side of the outer lens with the mounting holes and secure it. Gently press the center of the lens. Align the other side with the holes and press down until it snaps into place. Align one side of the inner lens with the slot and secure it. Gently bend the lens with your fingers. Insert the other side into the slot until it clicks into position. Type-C charging. Connect the Type-C cable to the charging port on the helmet and the other end to a power source. The charging indicator will light up, indicating that charging is in progress. Disconnect the cable after fully charging. If the charging light remains constantly lit, the helmet may be undergoing self-test protection. Restart the helmet to complete the self-test. This is the user guide of the OPTI M600 LBLGP series welding helmet.